many DIY enthusiasts and homeowners lack the knowledge to install terrazzo flooring, leading to poor outcomes. This video aims to bring about the necessary knowledge and provide step-by-step instructions for professional results. Learning terrazzo installation empowers DIY enthusiasts and saves costs on professional services. Understanding terrazzo flooring. Terrazzo comprises a blend of marble, granite, glass, or alternative aggregates, creating a composite material. Manufacturers embed these chips in a cementitious or epoxy binder, creating a unique and visually captivating flooring option. Terrazzo offers incredible versatility, with endless possibilities for colors, patterns, and textures. It's durable, low maintenance, and provides excellent heat and water resistance. Now that we know the basics, let's move on to the next step. Preparing the subfloor. Ensure a clean, structurally sound subfloor, repairing any cracks or unevenness. Apply a terrazzo primer, following the manufacturer's instructions for proper application techniques and drying times. This will improve adhesion and create a strong bond between the subfloor and the terrazzo mix. Mixing and pouring terrazzo. Now it's time to mix and pour our terrazzo mixture. Measure and combine aggregates and binders for a consistent mix. Pour and spread the mixture evenly, maintaining uniform thickness and adding decorative elements if desired. Grinding and polishing. After allowing the terrazzo to cure for the recommended time, it's time to bring out its true beauty through grinding and polishing. Use coarse grit diamond pads to level the surface and remove imperfections. Progress to finer grits for desired smoothness and shine. Apply sealant for durability and stain protection. Maintenance and care tips. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your very own terrazzo flooring. Now, let's talk about some maintenance and care tips to ensure its longevity. Maintaining your terrazzo flooring is essential for its long-lasting beauty. Prevent scratches by using felt pads under furniture legs and avoiding heavy object dragging. In high-traffic areas, protect it further with rugs or mats. Regularly sweep or vacuum and use a mild, pH-neutral cleaner for routine care.